You may be aware, Your Worships, that my client had the benefit of an appropriate adult when he appeared at the police station. And my firm have confirmed that he has been known to various mental health agencies for a number of years. A psychiatric report was prepared in 1999, and that confirms that he was suffering with paranoid schizophrenia accompanied with delusions and voices in his head. The alleged behaviour on this occasion seems to mirror his past problems, and it's vital that I obtain a full psychiatric report as to fitness to plead. I've taken the liberty of contacting the person who did the report back in 1999, Dr. Montgomery, and he can provide a full report within 8 weeks. The Crown have no objection to my application, and may I respectfully, ma'am, suggest an adjournment of no less than 10 weeks for this to be done.
Mr. Senior, what advice can you give us?
Ma'am, although fitness to plead is an issue that can be determined in the Crown Court, there is no similar procedure in this court. It is open to the court, however, to hear evidence to confirm whether the defendant committed the act or omission alleged. In other words, is the actus reus of the offence proved? And if so, then, subject to any reports that may be required, the court could make a hospital order without actually convicting the defendant of the offence.
Do we have to adjourn for the full psychiatric report before making any progress?
Clearly, it's a matter for the court as to how to proceed, but you may feel that a preliminary date could be fixed for the hearing of the evidence much sooner than the timescale required for the reports. In any event, between now and that date of hearing, there is a duty psychiatric nurse here next Tuesday, and I would suggest adjourning the case for examination to take place.
Does that seem all right?
It seems like a sensible.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Green, we're minded to follow our legal advisor's advice. What evidence would you be calling in the event of a not guilty plea?
Well, I'm unable to take any meaningful instructions, ma'am, from a client, so I'm unable to assist you any further.
Well, we have a summary of the Crown's case, and it appears that the 2 police officers came across your client asleep on a park bench and asked him for his details, whereupon he allegedly threatened to stab them and kill their children. Perhaps we can come to a decision as to whether your client actually committed this act by calling the 2 officers.
That would appear to be sensible.
So we'll do that. Yes, I'll put you on next Tuesday and then adjourn. Okay, thank you. We will adjourn this matter until next Tuesday for the defendant to see the duty psychiatric nurse, and we'll fix a date about 4 weeks from today for the hearing of evidence.